This is why we recommend a fall HVAC tune-up. You aren't the only one looking for a warm place to stay this winter. That is a bird, and that will do these in every time. All right, so we got a call. Store had no heat. We came here, noticed the high voltage switch was off, so flipped it on, see if we got anything. And first thing we notice is inducer motor's trying to spin, but will not spin. Try to give it a little kickstart, but it's just shot. It just has nothing left. So we picked one up. We're back with it now, so we're going to swap it out. These are pretty straightforward. We just have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. 1/4 inch screws here. 1, 2, 3. This pipe has a couple in it as well holding this up. And there's a ton of debris here. Signs of wear piled up. Oh boy. So once we got this out of here, if you look in there, that is a bird, and that will do these in every time. It's out of the way. This glue is set up and ready to go in. There's a new tube. That's good. Just want to make sure to clean this seal up real good first. It's always good to have a nut driver with a magnet so you don't drop these things. There she goes. You can hear that new gasket compressing down and sealing. Good. Just swing them all up. That's intact, so we're going to put that right back on. It's all good. Put our connections back up. 1, 2. We'll get my drill after and put these screws back in securely into the flue pipe. Let's try her out. Much better. Make sure it goes through the sequence of events. The inducer motor comes on, creates negative pressure, which goes in the pressure switch, tells the control board in this compartment that everything is good so far, and that it can trigger the spark and open the gas valve. Once the gas valve opens and the spark works, that flame travels across the burner tubes and lets the flame sensor know that it lit properly, which then again tells the board to continue to work on it. Everything else is working and good. Last step. Power the blower. Back in business.